Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show. We are really glad you are here with us today. We have a topic that seems incredibly small, but makes a genuinely big difference to how accurately and naturally you communicate in English. One tiny word creates a completely different meaning, and once you hear the explanation today, it is going to click immediately.
That's right. Today we're talking about little and a little. The only difference between these two expressions is the article, a, but that single small word changes the feeling and meaning of what you're saying completely. And using the wrong one can make your sentence sound either negative when you meant to sound positive, or positive when you meant to express a concern.
We are going to cover what each expression means, why they are different, how to use them correctly, what kinds of nouns they go with, how they compare to few and a few, common expressions you'll hear, the mistakes learners make, 2 real conversations, and a quiz at the end. Let's get into it.
Let's start from the very beginning and establish the most important thing about both of these expressions. Little and a little are both used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things you cannot count individually, things like water, milk, money, time, patience, information, advice, hope, and sugar. You cannot say 1 water or 2 monies. They're measured as a whole, not counted one by one.
This is the first rule to lock in before anything else. If your noun is uncountable, you choose between little and a little. If your noun is countable, you use few or a few instead. That's a completely different pair. So throughout this episode, every example you hear will use an uncountable noun: water, money, time, patience, and so on.
Now let's talk about a little. A little means a small amount of something, but with a positive or neutral feeling. The focus of a little is on the presence of something. There's some. It's not a lot, but it's there, and it's workable or acceptable. The glass is half full. Something exists, and that's good, or at least fine.
Think about someone who has just started a new job, and their friend asks, "How is it going?" The person replies, "I'm finding it a little challenging, but I'm enjoying it." The word "a little" here softens the word "challenging." It's not a full complaint. It's saying, yes, there is some challenge, but that's okay. A little turns what could be a negative into something manageable and even positive.
Some examples of a little used naturally in sentences. Could I have a little more water, please? She has a little experience with this kind of work, so she'll pick it up quickly. I have a little money saved up for emergencies. We just need a little time to think it through. He speaks a little French from his time living in Paris. In every single one of those sentences, the small amount is presented as workable, acceptable, or positive.
A little is also extremely useful as an adverb, meaning slightly or somewhat. You don't need a noun after it in this use. This soup needs a little more salt. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? She was feeling a little tired after the journey. He's a little nervous about the presentation. In these sentences, a little comes before an adjective or a comparative, and it softens or reduces the meaning gently.
Now let's talk about little without the article. Little means a small amount of something, but with a negative or concerning feeling. When you say little, the focus is on the absence of enough. The amount is so small, it's almost nothing, and that's a problem or a cause for worry. The glass is nearly empty. The small amount is not enough, and that matters.
Think about the same new employee. After 6 months, their manager says, "I'm worried because he has shown little improvement since he started." That sentence is very different. Little improvement doesn't mean some improvement, and that's fine. It means barely any improvement, and that's a serious concern. The tone is critical and negative. Little signals that something is lacking.
Some examples of little used naturally in sentences. There is little hope that the situation will improve soon. She has little patience for dishonesty. He has little money left after paying his bills. There is little information available about this topic. Few people realize how little time we actually have. In every one of those sentences, the small amount is presented as insufficient, worrying, or critical.
Little also appears very often with very to make the negativity even stronger. There is very little time left. He has very little experience in this area. Very little money was raised at the event. The word very intensifies the sense of not enough. It pushes the meaning closer to almost none.
Now let's look at the contrast between the two side by side, because this is what makes the difference really clear. She has a little experience means she has some experience, and that's a positive, or at least neutral fact. She has little experience means she barely has any experience, and this is a problem or a concern. Same noun, same basic quantity perhaps, but a completely different emotional message.
Another contrast. We have a little time before the meeting starts means there's enough time, let's use it. We have little time before the meeting starts means there's barely any time, we need to hurry, this is a stressful situation. The article a changes the entire tone of the sentence.
It helps to see how little and a little connect with the countable pair. A little and a few are both positive or neutral and focus on presence. A little is for uncountable nouns. A few is for countable nouns. I have a little patience. I have a few ideas. Little without the article are both negative and focus on absence. Little is for uncountable nouns. Few is for countable nouns. I have little patience. I have few ideas.
Now let's look at some common expressions. A little bit is a very natural conversational form of a little. I'm a little bit tired. A little bit of luck goes a long way. Little by little means gradually, over time. Little by little she gained confidence. Little or no means almost none at all. There was little or no evidence. Every little helps is a well-known saying, meaning even a small amount makes a difference.
Now let's go through the mistakes, because this is where learners make the most progress.
Mistake number 1. Using little when a little is needed for a positive or neutral meaning. A learner might say, I have little time, so let's use it wisely. That sounds like they're panicking and the situation is critical. If they simply mean there's some time available and they want to use it, the correct sentence is, I have a little time, so let's use it wisely. The article a makes it positive and workable rather than stressful.
Mistake number 2, using a little when little is needed for a negative or critical meaning. A learner might say, she showed a little improvement after 6 months of training. This sounds encouraging and positive, but if the speaker wanted to express that the improvement was disappointingly small, the correct sentence is, she showed little improvement after 6 months of training. Without the article, the meaning becomes critical and negative.
Mistake number 3. Using little or a little with countable nouns. A learner might say, I have a little friends here, or there is little chairs in the room. These are wrong because friends and chairs are countable nouns, and little and a little are only for uncountable nouns. The correct sentences use a few and few. I have a few friends here. There are few chairs in the room.
Mistake number 4, forgetting that a little can be used as an adverb without a following noun. Some learners know a little only as a determiner before uncountable nouns and forget that it can modify adjectives and comparatives directly. Could you speak a little more clearly? She is a little upset about what happened. He feels a little better today. All of these are perfectly natural uses of a little as an adverb.
Mistake number 5. Confusing very little with a very little. Very little is natural and correct. There is very little time left. Very little money was raised. But a very little is not standard in modern English as a determiner. You would not normally say, there is a very little water left. Use very little for stronger negativity and a little for the positive form.
Mistake number 6, using little without the article in informal conversation when a little would sound much more natural. Some learners use little without the article even in positive situations because they have seen it in formal or literary texts. In everyday spoken English, a little is almost always the more natural choice when the meaning is neutral or positive. I am feeling a little better is natural conversation. I am feeling little better sounds unnatural and odd.
6 mistakes and 6 clear corrections. These are the exact patterns that will sharpen your accuracy and your naturalness in everyday English.
Now, let us hear 2 conversations so you can see little and a little working naturally together.
First conversation. 2 friends talking about learning a language.
How is your Spanish coming along? You've been studying for a while now.
Honestly, there has been little progress lately. I've been so busy with work that I've had very little time to practice.
That is understandable, but do not give up. Even a little practice every day makes a difference in the long run.
I know. I do have a little grammar knowledge from school, so I'm not starting from zero, and I still understand a little when people speak slowly.
That is actually a great foundation. Little by little, you'll build on it. Just commit to a little bit of time each day, even 10 minutes.
You're right. I can manage a little effort every evening before bed, and I suppose I have little excuse for not trying harder if I'm honest.
Did you catch all of that? Little progress and very little time used little without the article because the amounts were insufficient and frustrating. A little practice and a little grammar knowledge and a little when people speak slowly used a little because the small amounts were workable and positive. Little by little is a fixed expression, meaning gradually.
Second conversation. A manager and employee discussing a project.
I have reviewed the draft report and I wanted to share some feedback.
Of course. Please go ahead.
Overall, the structure is good. There is a little room for improvement in the introduction, but the main body is solid.
That's encouraging to hear. I was worried there might be little substance in the middle section.
No, the middle section is actually strong. There is a little too much technical language in places, though. Could you simplify it a little for a non-specialist reader?
Absolutely. I can do that. Is there anything else?
Just one thing. The conclusion has little connection to the recommendations. They feel separate. That needs to be addressed before we submit.
Understood. So simplify the language a little and strengthen the conclusion. I can have a revised version to you by Thursday.
That second conversation showed a little room for improvement, meaning some room, and that is manageable. Little substance, meaning barely any, and that would be a concern. A little too much technical language, meaning slightly too much, a gentle observation. Simplify it a little, meaning slightly, used as an adverb. Little connection, meaning barely any connection, and that is a problem.
Quiz time. 5 sentences. Correct or incorrect. Take a moment before each answer.
Sentence 1. I have little money saved, so I think I will be fine.
Take a moment. This is incorrect if the meaning is that the speaker feels fine about their savings. Little money means barely any money and implies a problem or concern. If the speaker feels fine, they should say, I have a little money saved, so I think I will be fine.
Sentence 2. She has shown little improvement despite months of extra support.
This is correct. Little improvement means barely any improvement, and the word despite makes clear this is a disappointment. Little is exactly right here.
Could you speak a little more clearly, please?
This is correct. A little more slowly is a natural and polite way of making a request. A little is used as an adverb here to soften and moderate the request.
There is a little chairs left in the back row if you would like to sit down.
This is incorrect in 2 ways. First, chairs is a countable noun, and a little is only for uncountable nouns. Second, the positive form for a countable noun is a few. The correct sentence is, there are a few chairs left in the back row if you would like to sit down.
He has very little patience and gets frustrated quickly.
This is correct. Very little patience means an extremely small and insufficient amount of patience. Very little intensifies the negative meaning. This is a natural and correct sentence.
How did you do? If you got all 5 right, you've genuinely understood both words and how they work. If you missed some, go back to the core idea. A little is the positive small amount, little is the concerning small amount.
Let us finish with a clear summary. A little is used with uncountable nouns to describe a small amount in a positive or neutral way. It means some, not much, but enough. It can also be used as an adverb, meaning slightly or somewhat before adjectives and comparatives.
Little, without the article, is used with uncountable nouns to describe a small amount in a negative or concerning way. It means not enough. The amount is so small it's almost nothing, and that is a problem. Very little makes the negative meaning even stronger.
The one question to ask yourself every time: do I want to present this small amount as acceptable and positive? Use a little. Do I want to present this small amount as a concern or a problem? Use little. And always check that your noun is uncountable. If it is countable, use a few or few instead.
And that's everything for today. We hope this episode gave you complete clarity and real confidence with little and a little. These words appear in every kind of English conversation and in all situations where you talk about amounts and quantities.
Your practice task: write 4 sentences. 1 using a little with an uncountable noun positively. 1 using little with an uncountable noun negatively. 1 using a little as an adverb before an adjective, and 1 using very little strongly. That covers every key use from today.
Leave your questions in the comments. We love hearing from our listeners every single week, and we always try to answer.
Share this episode with someone who is learning English. Every person you share it with is someone we can help.
Take care of yourself, keep practicing, and remember that these small grammar details are what take your English from good to truly natural.
We'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, and keep going. You're doing brilliantly.